Hey beauties, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Today we will sew a blouse top for Ola. Why for Ola? Because she asked me to make a suit like this, crepe covered with coral lace. Ola is already leaving the stage of pregnancy and she's entering a vibrant life. We decided to start with coral, create a bright and cheerful wardrobe. I agreed to model the top. The top has a round neckline. We will open the shoulder by 4 centimeters. From the base of the neck, we will make a recess of 8 centimeters. We will build a raglan, sleeve length 14 centimeters, top length 62 centimeters. Pattern is like this. We'll build a raglan, we'll have the sleeve here, and let's shorten the top a little. I want the sleeve to be 14 centimeters. The sleeve will not be straight as shown here. Now let's talk about lines before modeling. This line is the relief in front and the line will go over here. We will not model the skirt on camera. The skirt will be a trapezoid. In such a suit, she will be pleased to be filmed on camera. Coral color suits her very well. Now we are going to model the top. That's why I moved the fabric aside. Then I will fit and make adjustments. And then sewing will begin and we will cover the lace. A review of the finished product will follow in the next video. Here is the basic pattern, raglan sleeve and sketch. A very beautiful cutout needs to be done. The neckline should not be just a hole into which the head is pushed. The neckline should be a decoration of you. The first thing I will make is a 1 centimeter recess. Let's transfer this neckline to the shoulder groove. We will build a raglan here, but first let's dive deeper. Now we are going to work with the cut and raglan. So the undercut is not needed. The side seam is offset from the middle of the armhole. We leave it that way, approaching uniformity. We will now temporarily move the breast groove to the center of the front. After what we built here, we moved it where necessary. I close it. I'm glad that Ola thinks about her wardrobe. We will model many more things to her. Open the shoulder to the side by 4 centimeters. From the beginning of the shoulder, lay 4 centimeters. In the center of the front, lay 8 centimeters. and we must draw a cut out that will make us beautiful. Handsomely here, so that there is no sharp corner. Now watch. On the back, you open as much as you want. The thing is not summer actually. So here we also open 4 centimeters and draw such a beautiful line. This is all I cut off, however has 1.5 centimeters left here. Then you need to make a small undercut and create volume. We work carefully. The next step is to build a raglan line. From the shoulder 8 centimeters, and this line, no matter how you draw it, will be correct. It is flat and goes to this place. Do not draw them as straight as sticks. There is no beauty in this. Shoulder, armhole, back. I cut it off. You don't need to do anything else. As a result, we have a back and a raglan. Now we will build the relief in front of the groove and rebuild it. We put these two details aside. We look at the sketch. It comes out of the armhole and slants out here. I think this line will go where the groove should be. Any line you draw will be correct. We have a huge amount of materials about reliefs. All this you can find in the hidden complete modeling. Here 2.5 centimeters. Take 5 millimeters here. Avoid sharp corners in grooves. In the cut, this should not be. A gorgeous relief was built. There will be a very beautiful line to hold the stomach. The crepe and lace are tied. And the seams are tied too, and will hold everything. It remains for us to transfer this groove and build it 1 centimeter lower. I write here the center of the front, the fold, and someone here will have a seam, and that will also be correct. Someone will make it round here. This will give style to the product. Now we will build raglan. I think the costume will be beautiful. Center of the back, the seam. We have a hidden lock in the side seam.
Центр спины, шов. Потайной замочек у нас будет вот здесь в боковом шве. Великолепно. Откладываю эту всю красоту и начинаем строить реглан. Реглан с чего начинаем? С того, что, хочу укоротить рукавчик.
I put it all aside and start building raglan. Raglan begins by wanting to shorten the sleeve. This sleeve length 22-23 centimeters is not pretty. The length should be small. I bend the sleeve in the center and I start cutting straight, and only then I leave.
10-12 миллиметров, вот так вот я срезаю, и длину сантиметров 7-8. 2 движения ножницами, и я уже рукав подготовила, ничего страшного здесь нет. Разрезаю. У меня здесь к переду, к передней, к спинке.
And why I have 10-12 millimeters bend? I cut and 7-8 centimeters long. 2 movements with scissors, and I have already prepared the sleeve. The armhole connects to the sleeve at the place where the armhole is written. If we had a whole shoulder here, then we would not have got the product that we intended. I believe the sleeves are ready. These corners must be cut straight, smoothly go around with beautiful lines. We wrap our sleeve around. It needs to be cut out in one piece and make a seam here. The sleeve is ready. What should you pay attention to? When assembling the base, make sure the waistline coincides with the waistline at these points. If we make a mistake somewhere, we get oblique waves. All the discrepancies that appear during the work with the elements disappear afterwards. Product with hem. It remains only to add to the seams everywhere except the bottom. I think not only Ola, but all our subscribers will make themselves such bright costumes. Be different and beautiful, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!